What do you think push-up bras are for?
I'm not really sure, but then
Making the breast look good?
don't have that.
The ones who have very small, they wear the push-up bras, and the one who have, they don't.
What's up?
Hi Kolkata, what's up? Welcome to a whole new episode of A Girl on Girl. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video and got to know a little more about the girls of Kolkata. Let's see what the Kolkata girls have to say today about their little secrets. Come on with me. Okay, here I am with an amazing group. So the question for you guys is that why do you think girls show their bra strap?
We don't intentionally show.
I don't think that purposely, I don't think that's to show off or something like that. It's just an,
ऐसे निकल जाता है.
yeah, निकल जाता है.
To look sexy. Not sexy, maybe like it depends upon the dress you wear. If it suits you, then you wear it, you carry it out. And if there's something to hide, we definitely hide.
No. Okay, so you never show it off or कभी नहीं होता है कि you.
Normally नहीं होता है.
It's nothing, there's nothing bad or vulgar about it. Girls should be free enough to wear anything they wish.
I don't think. Yeah, and plus I don't think so. You think and do it. I mean,
ऐसे ही हो जाता है.
Don't they?
I don't think so. I don't. I don't. So.
Okay, so he has some other views.
I think it's their own wish, and if they want to show them, they can. Obviously, it's fine.
Okay, so you think they can show it off. What's the purpose? What do you think? क्यों show off करेंगे?
not show off. Yeah, it's just normal that she's wearing a bra. Nothing else.
And why do you think so that girls show their bra strap?
Nice question.
Thank you.
Good question.
बोल दो.
Well, they think they're sexy.
Because they think they're sexy.
Probably.
That's why they show it.
Or maybe because they think they don't give a fuck about anyone.
Anything? Like तुम जब देखते हो तुमको कैसा लगता है? Like what do you think?
Normal.
Normal.
Yeah, that's nothing to get amazed.
They don't want to. It's just an हो जाता है. It's like a dressing thing.
What do you think? बोल दो
Just-
कोई नहीं मारेगा.
हाँ?
कोई मारेगा नहीं.
नहीं ऐसा बात नहीं है. Sexual appeal.
Sexual appeal. What else?
That boys notice them.
Okay. Anything else? ये तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं. ये एकदम चुप.
हम बहुत शरीफ है.
Oh, you mean girls are not sharif or what? हाँ?
Nice question to you back.
हम शरीफ है इसलिए हम दूसरा के ऊपर कमेंट नहीं करना चाहते.
दूसरा कौन है यहाँ पे? तुमको तो ऐसे in general पूछा जा रहा है.
इन जनरल इसके अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए, दूसरों को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए,
Attract करने.
स्पेशली बॉयज.
I think that's a statement kind of thing.
Like what kind of a statement? Like do they want to express something?
I am doing whatever I wanna do. That's
Okay. Would you, if given a chance, will flaunt it or something?
I mean, that's what for me, it will not be a point of discussion or a thought also. If I'm wearing something and if a slight bit is visible, it's fine. But I would not plan ki, oh, it must be visible.
What do you think push-up bras are for?
What answer?
What? Push up to, I mean, yeah, to push up your, I mean, so your cleavage is fine. Or
The factor.
Okay, the ooh factor. Okay, yeah, I like that answer.
That's a good question for, I guess, sports.
Sports.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Good shape.
What will I say? Especially for small one, I guess. The ones who have very small, they wear the push-up bras, and the one who have, they don't.
To maintain the shape.
To enhance your breast, yeah.
Enhance your breast.
If you're insecure about it, even if you're not, it's fine.
Okay, what do you think push-up bras are for?
sorry, I didn't.
What are push-up bras for, you think? चलो इतना मत शर्माओ. बोल दो.
For the purpose that
बोल
their-
दो. कोई
for the
नहीं मारेगा.
purpose that their breasts look bigger or
Okay. Yeah.
or
that's-
give it a push. Yeah.
हाँ, पता है इसको देखो.
Normal
See?
है इसमें कुछ नहीं है.
Actresses
Why actresses?
because they choose the most.
Simple. It's like to make your boobs look bigger.
Bigger.
Don't
That's
you?
it?
Yeah.
Okay. You have
To show.
worn
To
one?
no, my girlfriend wears one.
Making the breast look good? It's natural.
Okay.
I don't know.
अरे बोल दो.
To attract men's. Yeah, the idea about it.
We don't wear that.
अबे कुछ तो देखते होगे ना, मूवी कुछ तो देखते होगे, कुछ तो पता होगा.
So they don't tell anything about bra in movies.
Okay. ये फिर भी नहीं कुछ बोलेगा. Why do you think we girls generally are not comfortable wearing bras? Do you hate it? Like,
Absolutely.
No, I'm comfortable because
No.
it gives the shape to your.
Yeah.
why?
Uncomfortable.
Very?
Kind of. I mean, yeah, okay. At some point of time, you get used to it, but then getting back home, I don't like wearing it when I'm in my flat. I mean, I don't.
Actually, I feel it would be uncomfortable for someone to wear it or to reveal their clothes much, or that's the reason they might feel complex or something like that to wear it.
Do they?
Wearing bras? No.
Summers.
सब पता है. My God.
No, I wear a bra every time.
I don't know which sample of girls you've chosen because because I have never heard anybody saying so. I mean, it's
Are you
nothing.
okay? Like, are you comfortable wearing bras all day?
I would feel awkward if I'm not wearing one.
I think it depends on individuals.
Why do you think that you want to always get rid of it? Like, what's the reason?
Because it's really a pain. The stinging backache that you get from the straps and all. So, and plus when you just open it at the end of the day, it's like, okay, fine. I'm in heaven right now, and finally it's over. It's a relief.
People who are designing, they should make dresses which are designed inside. They should make a bras inside.
For people who make bras, please take that in mind.
No idea. हाँ हमको लगता है
लड़कों को comfortable लगता है या uncomfortable?
it's okay.
पूरा दिन पहनने बोले तो.
Oh, हाँ. Like in nights we.
For me it's just summer time. Like गर्मी में I can't.
वो अपना वाला खोल के रख देता है बाद में.
Guys go commando anytime they want to. Why can't girls? As simple. We go commando anytime we want to.
Girls like wearing bras. If they're single, yeah.
We don't know this answer. We don't wear bra.
We are single. We don't know anything.
Yeah, no.
Except you.
Except him.
और ज़्यादा जानना चाहिए ना तुम लोगों को. Single हो you.
We are not going to ask a girlfriend that. Are you comfortable with that bra?
And if given a chance, would you go one day without wearing a bra?
Yeah, why not?
I'll wear it.
He's wearing.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
इसके लिए ना.
Absolutely. I don't
Goa.
Goa is the place we can, but I don't think so. Calcutta people are so friendly. Like if somebody, because if you see suppose.
That's a wrap for today, guys. I hope you all had fun, and if you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, What's Up India. And for more fun,
hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
Intelligence is like an underwear. It is important that you have it, but not necessary that you show off. Wear your big smile and flaunt it.
What's up?